Okay. These are my boys, Thane and Xander. Thane is on the left in the Dalmatian bib, and Xander is on the right in the Mickey Mouse bib. They're both fussy, so I want to show what gets them to stop fussing when nothing else works. Oh, they already see it. I already see it. I just gotta get it to start. Here we go. Alright, let's see what happens when I stop the double rainbow song. They started to get mad at me and protesting, want the song back, so we'll give them the song back. Anyways, I just wanted to show what works with getting my boys to stop crying when nothing else does. They really love the Double Rainbow song, and I guess I love it too. If it gets them to stop fussing when nothing else does, then that's awesome. But that's the boys in the Double Rainbow song.